Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the ring replacement process, you will need the following tools: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure your Dyson SV11 is unplugged and safely positioned on a flat surface. First, locate the screws securing the ring. Using your Torx T15 screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two screws located at the base of the ring. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly. Next, gently pry the ring away from the main body of the vacuum using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. If the ring appears stuck, a gentle twist or a soft tap can help loosen it. Once the ring is removed, take a moment to inspect the area for any debris or dust buildup. Use your soft cloth to clean the interior and surrounding areas, ensuring optimal performance once the new ring is installed. Remember, a clean vacuum performs better. Now, it's time to install the new ring. Align it carefully with the mounting points on the vacuum body. Press it into place firmly until you hear a click. This indicates that the ring is securely seated. Next, retrieve the screws you set aside earlier. Using the Torx T15 screwdriver, reattach the screws to secure the ring. Ensure they are tightened firmly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. If at any point you feel unsure about the process, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which means you can get expert advice without any commitment. After reassembling, give your vacuum a quick test run to ensure everything is working correctly. If you notice any issues, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, allowing you to avoid any hassle. With our service, you won't have to worry about calls or travel, simply schedule a pickup and we'll take care of the rest. Finally, if repairs are necessary, you can request a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. The Dyson SV11 is a top-performing vacuum, and with proper maintenance, it can last for many years to come. Enjoy your clean home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.